What is up, fam? Hope this message finds you all well and in great spirits. Well, we're continuing. Well, I'm never going to buy a limited F-150 again in today's video because you're going to see the craziest before and after ever. All electric. Did that with the remote. And we also got the nice step up, so this comes out nicely. Yeah, I think that was the right look. Primo Auto Styling. Used to be Custom Coatings, my boy, who did all my wraps, all the PPF. We're here today to finish the STX Whipple F-150, the finishing look, the finishing touches. We're gonna get a whole new carbon fiber front and lower grille from Anderson Composites, but I'm really feeling the WOLFBOX, woo, because not only are we having our friends at WOLFBOX that gave us these epic electric steps, link in description, love how they look, but getting rid of this ugly bed cover, which I got off Facebook Marketplace. It's heavy. I lost the clips. What do I have in this trunk here to show you? Take a look. WOLFBOX. So yes, this is the base truck, so I don't have that little pull-out step. Plus, I have the carbon fiber here. We have a retractable step that's going to go right here, so I can kick up and get into the bed. And enough of this. This is fading. This is old. We have there WOLFBOX Electric tonneau cover for Bane, the F-150. Wait till you see how good it's going to look. It's going to be remote, electric. It's going to look so much sleek, give way better appearance than this. And I can't wait to show you the before and after. So this truck is coming together. Big shout out and thanks, link in the description, to our friends at WOLFBOX for being a big supporter on this project and this build. And of course, our friends at Anderson Composites are going to finish the finishing touches, and link in description. So I can't wait to show you guys. This truck it's been a long time coming, a longer term build, but I'm really enjoying how it's coming together. Really a fan of getting a truck in nowadays for less than 50 grand and turning it to something that can be yours, because trucks now, to do this what we're doing, you know, this has the cat skin, this has the Whipple. And the Mustang went 11.9 too. So he got his 11 at 120, but our truck was definitely cooking, dude. 11.3 at 125. This has the Cook's headers. This has the AWE side exit exhaust, the Anderson Composites. It has the WOLFBOX kit on it. Now we're finishing it. So this is the before. We'll show you the after. Let's go. All right, guys, this is the next day. We're gonna go check out the progress that our friend Joe has made with the F-150, with the WOLFBOX components of the electric tonneau cover and the Anderson Composites front grille and the new look. Let's go take a look at how it's going with the progress. Let's go. All right, guys, take a look. Oh, wow, look at that. That looks incredible. That looks, wow, mean, clean. Gives a real awesome effect. Love it. I know that non-Eagles fans are going to be like, take that off, but I big fan of what they've done so far. Wow, carbon fiber looks really good. Shout out to Anderson Composites. Of course, we got the Whipple, but this truck is definitely coming together. Looks much meaner. Now, for the coup de grace of what is going down here, look at that. Smooth, clean, beautiful. Oh man, I can't wait to show you guys when it's all said and done, but this looks so much sleeker. This whole look, this whole vibe is just mint. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Again, WOLFBOX. I personally would recommend professional installation, and that's what I went with. So, but this is the old one right here, and this is the new boy. Man, that looks so much sleeker, so much better. But we're gonna show you how it works after this is all said and done. But man, this looks so good. Oh man, this came out beautifully. Wow, wow, wow. Tough. All right, guys, so we're at Primo Auto Styling. I'll show you. This used to be Custom Coatings. Our friend Joe has done a great job growing his business, and now one of the premier, if not the premier, PPF and wrap installer in all of the tri-state area. Link in the description, check him out. But he's always done our cars, and this is the last hurrah because I got something big to share with you that we're doing. But here it is, the all-new F-150. No action here.
Oh, here's your lights in there.
Oh, let's see the lights. Yo, this is some Night Rider stuff. Look at that.
At night, when you pull something out,
yeah,
it's kind of a good idea.
Especially because I have the base truck. It doesn't have the lights.
Yeah.
Dude, look at that. Oh, that's quiet.
Real quiet, yeah.
That is real quiet. That is so mint. And it has an emergency release, so you can manually
turn the light on and off. Just figure
oh, dude, that is. All right, that is trick. Shout out to WOLFBOX, and shout out to Primo Auto Styling for putting this together. Definitely recommend professional installation, right?
Yes.
Yeah. You know, this is, look at that. So smooth, sleek. It's like a WOLFBOX truck here. We got the side steps, this, and this light is dope.
That's cool.
Yeah, look at that. So you got the light there. You can turn it on, turn it off. Very quiet. And then you could like, can you stop it? Oh, I got a little spider in there.
Yeah.
Oh, pause, hit the pause button. I don't know what I'm doing. Oh yeah, okay, hit the pause button, and then it closes back. It's pretty fast.
Yeah, it's like the paint.
That's factory paint, yeah. Yo. And then I'm sure you PPF'd it.
Yeah,
is that what you did?
PPF and it's in there. Yeah, it's great.
Okay, this is sick.
This is a new Temporary.
Yeah. Wow.
That crazy.
Yeah, that's nasty. Is that? Do you see a new Ferrari? Is that real life?
I don't know what's going on with that. Did you see that shit today?
The Ferrari, the EV or whatever? I don't know. That's the entry. Oh, the interiors. Okay.
Yeah. Carbon fiber. All the carbon fibers matte on the steering wheel.
All right. This is a close second to the F-150 for sure.
Yeah.
This is sick, dude.
Like the remote.
Oh, so this just goes like a rocket ship.
This is the latest one, honestly. They're both
All right, you've wrapped every car under the sun. What's your like, yo, this is the bee's knees. Ferrari, Lambo, what's you got?
Like favorite car?
Yeah.
I'm a wagon guy.
Okay,
Yeah.
all right.
Like RS6, E63. I like that a lot.
Yeah.
But that's also a Tech Art wide body. That's, you know, there's
Like
only so
special,
many.
yeah.
There's like 10 of them.
Dude. Okay, I'm just gonna, just a little, wow, yeah. That is nice.
Like, this is the first time they've done that where you can basically see the full rear tire. I think
Oh, wow. Definitely gonna kick some rock chips on someone behind you.
Yeah.
the calipers are they match. Was that factory or you did that?
Factory wheel color, yeah. So he spec'd it like that for the calipers to match the wheels, which I think is kind of cool.
That's trick, dude. I like these companies are finally doing what people want.
Yeah.
And then you come and just protect it.
Nice.
Yeah. All right, guys. So we're gonna go and come back tomorrow as Joe at Primo Auto Styling finishes up our wonderful WOLFBOX F-150. But we're gonna swing by because we're having fun today and check out the Dark Horse. Because yes, the Dark Horse is getting a new wrap for Ford Nationals. Because yours truly will be there for the last time. What am I talking about? I explained that all in the future videos. But we're going to Ford Nationals on June 6th. We'll be at the Evolution booth with the Dark Horse with the new wrap. So much fun is happening. So I appreciate the support. Let's head over to check out the new wrap and then end the video by coming back to see Bane the F-150 with this epic new look and epic WOLFBOX products. Let's go. Oh my gosh. This looks sick. This looks sick. Brother.
Yo, how you like the vents, dude?
Killed it, dude. Oh.
I think the vents came out the best part. There is no cuts on there. It was just all knifeless tape.
Wow. Killed it, dude. This looks sinister. I think the carbon exposed is best.
Yeah.
It ties everything in.
And it looks exactly like the picture.
Dude, it's crazy.
Yeah, I think it looks great.
That looks, it's perfect, dude. Yeah, you killed it on the.
Yeah, did you get close? You get close to all the edges. There's no knife marks or anything. It's all like
Yeah.
with like underneath.
It looks
pull
like
the
you
string.
painted it, dude. This looks incredible.
Before working on the front bumper.
All right. Wow. This is gonna, when this goes to Ford Nationals, people are gonna lose it, dude.
I think it looks sick.
I think it looks better than I thought.
You think so?
Yeah, you killed it, dude. The metal flake is coming through. What's this?
See it outside.
Yeah. When we pull it out tomorrow, or tomorrow's still cool, or
Yeah.
okay. Yeah, it's gonna look. All right. This is the right choice.
I think it was.
The right choice. So this was the one that you ordered that came in on. You didn't have to go to Pennsauken?
No, dude.
Okay.
I got it Thursday afternoon.
Wow.
On both sides are done. The side skirt, the front bumper's gonna be done,
Okay.
and then we'll finish the back bumper.
Love it. What's this color called again?
This is like a black hypnotic
Violet, purple, something.
Yeah, it's got a lot of stuff to it.
Dude. It's great job, dude. I can't wait. Well, I wanted to see like a little in between too, so
Yeah,
the pictures were fire, so it looks
All right,
great.
guys, here to pick up the new and improved. Oh, this looks killer.
All right, guys, here it is, the finished product. Wow, just wow. I'm in love. Great job. Bane, the F-150, is just stunning right now. With, obviously, we're going to showcase to you the WOLFBOX Electric bed cover, but just the finishing touch of the front end looking totally mean with the Anderson Composites carbon fiber. Just all PPF'd here. Of course, we have this crazy hood with the carbon fiber grille. Lower dam, like this, just talk about presence. This is intimidating and I love it. And there's more to go, more to come, but we, Joe actually tinted out the front ambers here. And again, I love this sleekness. I was telling you before, this is the most high-end STX model F-150 in the country, in my humble opinion, because it has so much on it. And again, shout out to WOLFBOX for coming through with this build. We have the electric side steps, and then this right here, look how sleek this looks, guys. The electric bed cover just ties in so nicely, looks so good. We even got this, guys. Here, check this out. Bam. There you go. We have a nice kind of angled step to get into the bed. And I really appreciate that's Joe of Prima Auto Styling did all the work. We appreciate him. Link in description. He has an F-150 as well, so he's a good company. But I want to show you what they did. Now, because, look at this, guys. Wow, wow, wow. So, all electric. Did that with the remote. Quiet. Smooth. Beautiful. And that bed cover, I can sit on it even. It held 800 pounds. So I step up on my WOLFBOX, come up here, and I'm right in the bed. And it had its cooling. Look at this light, LED. Beautiful. This truck came out fire. You even have the controls over here. You can do it manually. So it closes. I press the button, it closes. Look at that. That is clean and quiet. Again, all its link in description. But this came out great. And to just get down, again, we just go down onto the Wolf step, kick it right back into place. Now remember, this is STX, so I didn't have the stock factory one, but man, this came out phenomenal. This build, love it. Again, I love the fact that we did this. People use this to a Premium or a Raptor, but you can do this to your base, XLT, STX, your Tremor. But wow, this really came out to be a very handsome build. Just wow. Wow, wow. And then again, I really love this remote that they include with the, so this unlock, you hit the unlock button to unlock it. You press this button here. And I think this has to be down for good reason. And then okay, there you go. Unlock twice, hit the button, there you go. This is dope. This is dope. All right, guys, one of the things about the WOLFBOX Electric tonneau cover is that it's also waterproof. So we're here at the car wash. We're gonna wash it and show you how great this is. Look at that. It gets dirty like anything else, but we're gonna wash it up and show you how easy it is to clean. And what's great about it is you also can lock this from your key fob. All right, now it's time for the big stuff. Let's see how this does now. We're really hitting it here. This will give you confidence when it's raining and snowing that this tonneau cover from WOLFBOX really can handle all the elements. And it locks and has weight capacity and it's easy to use. Moment of truth. Look at that. Completely dry. All protected from the elements. That's dirt. Gotta clean that up, but completely dry. Still soapy, but completely dry. Also goes without saying, this is amazing. This right here allows easy stow and go. Love it. I can get into the back of the bed comfortably. Look at my nice shoes. And look at that. Stow and go. Even has a nice little warning sign for you guys to be careful. But it looks sleek, it looks good. Also cleaning off my WOLFBOX Electric. Guys, and I want to end the video by telling you right now, this call to action is crazy because link in description to get your WOLFBOX products like this tonneau cover, like that step up, even you can see like the WOLFBOX Electric steps. I have a WOLFBOX, woo, F-150, woo. But anyways, the big sale is coming soon. Link in the description. This is very important because this is the Prime Day. The Amazon Prime Day. The biggest deals of the season are happening now for these products. Click the link, go on Amazon Prime Day for WOLFBOX products. Tell them I sent you, and you'll be as happy as I am. WOLFBOX, let's go. Woo.